Hello there and welcome to my channel. I am going to be performing a sound test for the Fantech model MK872 keyboard. I will also try showing how responsive this keyboard is. And I want to perform some review about the keyboard as well, so enjoy!
Come on, who needs this?
But then I was introduced to this beast, Fantech Optilite MK872.
I love this keyboard for many reasons. Look at this, guys. It's really beautiful, mechanical keyboard with optical switches, with black switches, which is of course hot swappable. It has such a cool feature for those who like to drink beverages at their working place. Watch this video till the very end to find out what is it.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touch.
So let's start with gaming. It has few game modes. When it's active, it will allow you to disable Windows key, Alt F4 and Alt Tab. It has 19 illumination modes and you can change them from the software and also directly from the keyboard. Just press FN and print screen. Yeah, much more illumination mode accessible via the software. Let's activate game mode. So FN 4. See, we get highlighted our main buttons: AWSD, Shift Ctrl Alt. So F6, we're gonna get more highlighted buttons, and F5. Just less. And of course this one. So this is a smaller size, like 80% from standard one. You can see it will help you to obviously save your working space or gaming space. And it's pretty heavy, guys. It's 972 grams, you know, so you hardly can smash it from your desk accidentally. So it's durable and obviously for long-term using. And look at that nylon braided cable, just pretty cool.
It's designed with replaceable switches. If some button is not working, you can purchase and replace switch without opening or soldering any part of keyboard. And just in case you want to change to blue switches or whatever you like. As the name implies, the optical switch uses light induction to trigger the switches. It works with the mechanical switch to block the light beam. When the switch is pressed, the stem of switch moves downward, triggering the light sensor on the PCB and activating the key. That's why optical switches are faster than the traditional switch, as no physical contact is needed to send an electrical signal, eliminating the need for a debounce delay. Also, because there is no physical contact, their switches are usually more durable.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away.
So here is the app where you can customize your lighting effects, and if you go to gaming mode you will see you can disable buttons. You can also use macros, and of course you have few profiles to customize here, and here you can assign any action per key or mouse function. And this is how it looks like when you decided to clean up your keyboard, mechanical keyboard. Just look at that. Isn't it just beautiful, guys? Let's enjoy. one really important thing to tell you guys. Oh, man, it happened again. But wait, I know how to fix it. But don't worry guys, it's easy to fix. This is waterproof and dustproof keyboard. Just wash it. It's time to dry. Profit. So what is my overall impression? I love the keyboard. It's suitable for gaming, daily work, but maybe not so good for prolonged typing work because it's obviously not so silent and still a bit clicky. I enjoy using the mechanical keyboard. It's special feeling, you know. I like the sound and the fact I can swap switches anytime. Obviously, the Optilite MK872 for long-term using, durable and heavy one, so you cannot accidentally smash it from your desk. Personally, I like the smaller size, as I have lots of stuff on my desk.